How do we determine what value to give to nature in public policy? Or how do we determine what share of land to protect for perpetuity? To value or not to value, that is not the question. Calles, Gomez Bahatun, and Sografos argue that it will be more fruitful to ask how, when, and under what conditions we should provide monetary value estimates for ecosystems or natural resources. For now, let us take a pragmatic position and focus on the how. Costanza and colleagues provide some defense for taking this pragmatic position to monetary valuation of nature. Quoting their 1997 article, page 255, although ecosystem valuation is certainly difficult and fraught with uncertainties, one choice we do not have is whether or not to do it. Rather, the decisions we make as a society about ecosystems imply valuations. We can choose to make these valuations explicit or not, but as long as we are forced to make choices, we are going through the process of valuation. When thinking about the valuation of nature, it makes some sense to distinguish between use and non-use values, where within the use value we can further distinguish between consumptive use and non-consumptive use of nature. An example of the former would be fishing for consumption, while catch and release, sports fishing, or scuba diving would be examples of the latter. In case of consumptive use, we often take the price of natural resources as a proxy for its value. However, valuation is more difficult in the case of non-consumptive use, because enjoyment from national parks is often free. A first valuation method relies heavily on a suggestion by Houteling,